feel clean. You made it easy to hate my name. Oh, but now I know you fed the flame. I stayed quiet when I should have screamed. Buried truth to keep your dream. Told myself I was the mess, so you could wear your innocence. But love's not love if it's a play, and I was cast to fade away. Now every word feels sharp and fake, a story written for heartbreak. I took the blame while you walked free. Tore myself down so you'd feel clean. You made it easy to hate my name. Oh, but now I know you fed the flame. Wore the pain like a disguise, while I tore out my truth for lies. I should have saved some grace for me, but I let your silence sentence me. You said you missed me late at night, so we made plans, it felt so right. We shared a meal, we shared a song. I thought that meant you'd been here all along. Your eyes were soft, your hands were near. You laughed like I was the only one here. You made me feel like I belong, but maybe I just read it wrong. I thought it meant more, the way you stayed.